Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2024 GS Paper 2 question. So the question is, the duty of the CAG is not merely to ensure the legality of the expenditure but also its propriety. So comment. So it is of 10 marks question and you have to attempt in the range of around 150 words. So how you will attempt this question? So first of all, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India CAG under Article 148 is entrusted with ensuring not only the legality but also the propriety of the government expenditure. So what is the difference between the legality and the propriety? So while legality ensures that spending is authorized by the law, propriety demands that it is ethical, prudent and aligned with the intended purpose. So this is the introduction about the demand of the question, that while legality ensures that whatever the government is spending, it is authorized by the law, while propriety, it demands that whatever the expenditure is incurred by the government, it is ethical, prudent and aligned with the intended purpose. So this is the statement and this statement is justifying this introduction. Then the CAG's audits go beyond the mere compliance, evaluating whether the public funds deliver value and uphold transparency. For instance, the audit of the Manrega and GST compliance ensured lawful use of funds, while the Clean Ganga mission and the Air India audits assessed efficiency and ethical standards. So these are some of the examples which have justified that the function of the CAG is not just to ensure the legality of the expenditure but also to check its propriety. So CAG's findings, reviewed by the bodies like Public Accounts Committee, strengthen the accountability. So by upholding both the legal and the moral standards of the financial governance and adhering to the INTOSAI norms, INTOSAI is the International Standards of Supreme Audit Institutions norms, the CAG ensures that the public money is not just spent but well spent. So thus, the CAG serves as the guardian of both the rule of the law and the principles of the sound governance. So in this way, you can attempt your question. Thank you and keep watching my videos. And to get the PDFs of these videos, you can join my Telegram channel. Thank you.